Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So we're going to start off with some bone-in chicken thighs, and we're going to cover those with some smoked paprika. Turn them over and add some of the paprika to the other side of them as well. Now we take our chicken thighs over to our pan, spray some healthy cooking oil on it, and pop our chicken thighs on skin side down. We cook our chicken for 4 to 5 minutes till they're slightly browned, and we turn them over and cook them on the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. Once they're almost cooked through, we remove them from the pan, pop them onto a plate, just to leave them to the side till we make our sauce. So to the same pan we add our sliced onion, our chopped chilies, we add some garlic paste, give it a good stir and cook it until the onions are softened. Now we add some more of our smoked paprika, and then our chicken thighs back in. Don't forget the juices in the pan, this is all flavour. And now we add our black olives sliced, some of our sliced chorizo, and our capers. Next we add a tin of plum tomatoes. Give that a stir. Bring it to the boil, pop the lid on and leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we just baste our chicken with the sauce. And add in our parsley. Now using a meat thermometer just to check that the chicken's fully cooked. Now that our chicken's fully cooked, let's serve our Spanish style chicken and chorizo stew. I like to serve mine on some chicken flavoured boiled rice. The recipe is in the description below. So there we have our Spanish style chicken chorizo stew. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and watch to the end for some more of my videos. And thanks for watching.